This is a Hunters Point Avenue bound 7 train. The next stop is 46th Street. This is a Hunters Point Avenue bound 7 train. The next stop is 40th Street. This is a Hunters Point Avenue bound 7 train. The next stop is 33rd Street. This is a Hunters Point Avenue bound 7 train. The next stop is Queensboro Plaza. This is a Hunters Point Avenue bound 7 train. The next stop is Court Square.
Our train supervision, we do apologize about this inconvenience and we thank you for your patience. Unfortunately, we do not know exactly how long it will take. It could be 1 minute, it could be 1 hour. I will let you know as soon as it's time to leave. Again, we do apologize and thank you for your patience.
Hello, everyone.
This is Manhattan Bound 7 local train. The next stop is Vernon Boulevard in downtown.
Can you possibly retail our train supervision? As soon as they know what to do, we will let you know. We will apologize and thank you for your participation. Attention passengers, we are being turned back to Main Street Junction. This train is going back to Main Street Junction. The next stop on this train will be Court Square northbound. Again, the next stop on this train will be Court Square northbound, going back to Main Street Junction.
Shuttle trains are running routine, starting 4th Street from the north and Times Square Road to 2nd Street. We would have train running along seamlessly, and we apologize for the delay.
Attention passengers, again, we are sorry there was a smoke and fire condition between Vernon Jackson and Manhattan. At this time, 7 trains are being turned between Queensboro Plaza and Hunters Point. For Manhattan bound, I would suggest the E train at Court Square or the NW at Queensboro Plaza. Next stop on this train will be Court Square.
Vernon Boulevard, Jackson Avenue. Both directions. Because the FDU line was called to look into an incident at Vernon Boulevard, Jackson Avenue. The last stop on some 34th Street, Hudson Yards bound 7 trains is Queensboro Plaza or Hunters Point Boulevard. For service to Manhattan, take the Manhattan bound N&W trains at Queensboro Plaza or E and or R trains at nearby Queens Plaza. For service.
not be going to Manhattan due to the fire in the tube. The train will be going back uptown. We'll be going up to crossing Main Street. Once again, the train is not going to Manhattan. The train will be going back uptown. This is due to a fire in the tube. Train is in Manhattan. It's out of service. This is due to fire in the tube. The train will not be going to Manhattan. Attention passengers, change of plans. We are going to Manhattan. We are going to Manhattan. We are control plans have closed. Now we're going to Manhattan. We apologize for this inconvenience, but
apologize for listening to
information we get from work. We are control plans. We are resuming service to Manhattan. We are resuming service to Manhattan. We'll be moving momentarily. Once again, we're resuming service.